Hello, everybody. Welcome to our new project here in Wynwood, Pennsylvania. Today's our first day at work. So what we're going to be doing here, as you can see, this area, this is a basement. So we're in a basement right now. So as you can see in this corner, I already started doing some work. I'm picking up some of the existing towels. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to make a bathroom. In this corner, I'm going to put a shower. Over here, I'm going to have going to frame it. I'm going to make a wall. Here's going to be vanity, and right over here, from the windows will be my toilet. So I'm building a bathroom in the basement area, and right next to it, over here, I'm going to frame, have a couple of bifold doors, and I'm going to make a closet, a laundry room closet for the washer and dryer. So it's a lot of work. We just started out. What I want to do is I want to preserve the existing tile. I want to preserve it. I don't want to cause more, let's say, work than already have to, and have my client spend more money than actually needs to. So I want to preserve this existing floor tile into the main area and to the laundry room area. I'm just going to pop the tile here where the bathroom is going to be. And obviously, for obvious reasons, we have to further excavate because we're going to need a switch line, a 3-inch stock pipe, plus the drain for the vanity, and of course the drain for the shower, and all of these things is going to tie it up to the main stock pipe of the house, which is in the back here. So we have to dig out in this area. We really have to excavate really deep, try to go through about, I would say, 18 inches thick wall. It's all stone wall. Go underneath it, and get on the other side. That is the sewage pipe. This area. So this is our wall. As you can see, that's a thick wall. It's about 2 feet, maybe 24 inches thick wall. Got to go all the way underneath, come into this area. And we're going to tie it up onto this existing stop pipe. So we're going to have to excavate from this area as well. Excavate over here, expose the stock pipe, the sewage line, expose it, then come underneath and tie it up onto it somewhere here. So here we have a hot and cold water lines. Somebody ran it before. It's a PEX system. We're going to have to tie it up here for our water supply. But as you can see, this it's a lot of work. We should be able to reach completion in about a month. So check back with us in about a month after watching this video, and you can see the finals. Thank you very much for watching. See you again next time.